Da 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 da
Tulips and daisies are your favorite flowers. I know it's kinda different, but I don't think that it matters. I tell you every day, nice guys may finish last, but they always get the good girls right.